Hello, welcome to Jewelsteps. Our today's topic is how to add product to inventory by assigning metals. So how to do it? Let's go. First we go to the utilities tab. Select the product opening. From here you can add your product. For example, we add a product in oops. And you can also add category from here. Currently I'm adding the category like earrings. After that, we assign the applicable metals such as a gold, silver, diamond and stone if the product is available in the multiple metal type. We also set the product price tags from here. After entering the all details, click on the save button. Now you can see the product is shown in the product list. If you want to make any changes later, the product can be editable by double clicking on it. Making the necessary changes, like I am adding the weight, adding the quantity and weight. And then updating the record. Thank you.